Checking whether a string starts with Xxxx. I would like to know how to check whether a string starts with hello in Python. In Bash I usually do. How do I achieve the same in Python?
More info about starts with.
Ranrag has already answered it for your specific question. However, more generally, what you are doing with is a regex match. To do the same in Python, you would do. Obviously, in this case, some string dot starts with hello is better.
In case you want to match multiple words to your magic word, you can pass the words to match as a tuple. Starts with takes a string or a tuple of strings.
Can also be done this way.
I did a little experiment to see which of these methods. String dot starts with hello, string dot refined hello equals 0, string dot partition hello, 0, equals, string dot rendex hello equals 0. Are most efficient to return whether a certain string begins with another string. Here is the result of one of the many test runs I've made, where each list is ordered to show the least time it took, in seconds, to parse 5 million of each of the above expressions during each iteration of the while loop I used. I believe that it is pretty obvious from the start that the starts with method would come out the most efficient, as returning whether a string begins with a specified string is its main purpose. What surprises me is that the seemingly impractical string dot partition hello, 0, equals method always finds a way to be listed first, before the string dot starts with hello method, every now and then. The results show that using str.partition to determine if a string starts with another string is more efficient than using both refined and rendex. Another thing I've noticed is that string.refined hello equals 0 and string.rendex hello equals 0 have a good battle going on, each rising from 4th to 3rd place, and dropping from 3rd to 4th place, which makes sense, as their main purposes are the same. Here is the code.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.